The warning, "Attention, the engine is running," in a Volkswagen vehicle was originally meant by engineers to show up when the car doesn't see the key inside and the engine is still on. So when you open the door and are about to leave the car, it will beep if you forgot to turn off the engine. Or also if you forgot your key fob somewhere and started driving, this message will pop up the next time you stop. But basically Volkswagen owners see this message when there is one of the two possible issues in the car. First of all, this may be a dying battery in the key fob. They tend to die once a year or so in keyless entry cars, so this is a very common reason. Fortunately, replacing the battery is a DIY task, and the battery costs like £3 or dollars. But if this doesn't help, there is another quite common problem, the door latch harness. It's very hard to diagnose, and it will not necessarily show on open door lights on the dash when it's faulty. There are apparently different signals to the dashboard and to some control modules. So even though the dashboard doesn't show the open door, the computers may still get the signal that the driver's door is open, so it will throw this warning every time you stop the car, thinking that you are about to leave. Basically, if replacing the key fob battery with a good, high-quality battery doesn't solve the problem, you will need to have the door lock harness and also the door lock itself inspected by a good mechanic. And the harness may need to be replaced unless there is obvious damage that can be repaired.